Let's reset this properly. You're right, most soft girl era businesses online are recycled. Planners, candles, content creation, coaching. That's not helpful if you want to build real income, differentiation, and long-term leverage. We've all collectively over the girl boss hustle culture. The 5 a.m. gym sessions, the cold plunges, the constant grinding, it's exhausting. We want peace, we want beauty, and we want our bank accounts to grow without losing our minds. So today, we're sharing the best soft girl era business ideas that people will pay you for. The first idea is the soft girl transition services. This is a silent but exploding market. Create a paid service or productized offer that helps people transition gently after job loss, returning home after migration, divorce or relationship collapse, and burnt out induced career pauses. Not therapy, not coaching, you provide structure, resources, and emotional safety. You can sell soft re-entry kits, which is a 90 days rebuilding plan, curated job search reset without hustle language, and gentle accountability containers. Most transition services are harsh, masculine, or clinical. Soft transitions are rare and people will pay for dignity. This can become digital kits, group programs, or corporate wellness contracts. The next idea is aesthetic home sitter for travelers. Offer premium house sitting services for high-end homes, providing peace of mind and light plant or pet care while maintaining a tranquil environment. Next up is the aesthetic paperwork simplification brand. Nobody talks about this, but everyone needs it. You help people navigate intimidating systems softly, such as government forms, immigration paperwork, benefit applications, and school or grant processes. You are not giving legal advice, you're providing organization, explanation, and calm. For the soft girl angle, you brand this as a gentle admin support or soft system navigation. It's paperwork, but make it human. People are overwhelmed and sometimes ashamed to ask for help. Soft and non-judgmental brands win trust fast. This can scale into templates, workshops, or memberships. The next idea is urban beekeeping. If you have the space, manage urban hives and sell small batch hyper-local honey and beeswax products. Soft girl micro luxury for people who can't afford luxury is next on the list. Luxury is emotional, not just financial. Create tiny affordable luxuries that stimulate calm and safety, like $12 to $25 products or experiences that's beautiful but practical. Some examples can be after work decompression envelopes, which includes the card and the scents, 1 week soft living challenges paid, and voice note subscriptions for nervous system regulation. Instead of chasing high-end buyers, you serve emotionally exhausted people who want relief now. This builds mass market loyalty. The next idea is plant styling and gifting. Provide greenery consultations to help people choose the best plants for their space lights and aesthetics, or sell pre-styled plant starter kits. Next up is soft girl financial translation services. This is huge and almost no one is branding it this way. You translate intimidating financial concepts into plain language, visual systems, and gentle explanations. Not financial advice. Financial literacy and clarity. Think Soft Girl Guide to Understanding Your Paycheck, Debt Without Shame breakdowns, and visual money dashboards for non-math people. Money shame is real, and soft framing removes resistance. This can evolve into courses, corporate trainings, and licensed curricula. Our next idea is personalized audio narrator. Offer voice acting services specifically for narrating independent audiobooks or personalized meditation guides. Soft girl recovery products for high-functioning women is the next idea. This market is underserved. You create tools for people who appear successful, are emotionally depleted, and are quietly unraveling. Sell burnt-out recovery timelines, emotional inventory system, and invisible load mapping tools. These customers have money and know it's safe to put their pain. This is not wellness fluff, it's functional emotional infrastructure. Next up is the niche Pinterest manager. Focus exclusively on growing aesthetic-driven brands like bridal or home decor through highly curated Pinterest boards. Another idea is soft girl IP businesses. Sell the concept, not the product. This is where generational wealth enters. You create name frameworks such as the soft girl reset method, gentle exit strategy, or quiet wealth systems. You don't sell time, you sell the intellectual property. Monetization path includes licensing, certifications, and white label programs. This is what most people never think to do. Our next idea is color consultant. Use color psychology to help brands or individuals choose the right palettes for their homes, offices, or personal branding to promote a specific mood. Next up is soft girl legacy services. Planning for the life you want, not just death. Estate planning can feel cold, so this business idea reframes it. Help people document value, life intentions, financial wishes, and care preferences. Not legally binding, but emotionally grounding. Create products such as If Something Happens to Me, life binders, soft legacy journals, or family clarity kits. This appeals to people building generational wealth with intention. Our next idea is custom Notion for living templates. Design complex but beautiful Notion dashboards specifically for cycle syncing, slow living habits, or soft life planning. Another idea is soft girl decision fatigue businesses, outsourcing tiny life choices. This is extremely under-discussed and quietly valuable. You help people eliminate small but exhausting decisions that drains mental energy, such as what to eat after work, how to structure evenings, or what habits to focus on this season. You don't tell them what to do forever, you create temporary decision relief systems. Sell weekly soft schedule drops, seasonal life rhythm guides, and pre-made evening routines for different energy levels. Decision fatigue is real, especially for people who are working, grieving, or rebuilding. You're selling mental quiet, not productivity. Our next idea is mural painting. Transform plain walls into soft, dreamy art pieces using watercolors and pastel-style mural techniques. Our next idea is soft girl reputation and digital cleanup services. No one wants to talk about this, but many people need it. Help individuals quietly clean up online presence, reframe gaps in employment, rewrite bios, LinkedIn summaries, and narratives. This is not personal branding, it's identity repair. The soft angle is no judgment and no hustle language. Focus on dignity and safety. People who lost jobs or went through public transitions will pay well to feel presentable again. This can evolve into confidential packages, high-ticket private services, or corporate offboarding support. The next idea is antique and furniture restorer. Breathe new life into vintage furniture by refinishing it in soft, modern tones for resale. The next idea is soft girl exit planning for jobs people secretly hate. This is not career coaching. You help people plan gentle exits over 6 to 18 months. Soft exit reduce fear, which increase follow through. This is ideal for people who are still employed but mentally done. The next idea is soft girl systems for people who don't trust institutions anymore. This is growing globally. Create tools that help people build personal backups, understand alternatives, and feel less dependent on unstable systems. Create products like a personal safety net, multi-income clarity map, and resource libraries. Not fear-based, stability-based. When trust erodes, people invest in self-reliance that feels calm. Another idea is the soft girl scarcity recovery products. Scarcity changes behavior quietly. Create tools that help people recover from long-term financial stress, survival mode thinking, and chronic instability. For example, scarcity pattern trackers, gentle abundance rewiring tools, and emotional budgeting systems. This is also rare because most people talk about abundance without addressing trauma. Your business will serve people rebuilding for real. And the final idea is handmade soft girl objects for emotional infrastructure, not decor. These are functional handmade items people don't realize they need until they do. You handcraft objects that supports emotional regulation, transition periods, and nervous system safety. For example, hand-sewn decision tokens like fabric coins used to offload choices, weighted eye pillows with intention cards, and pocket-sized grounding objects for anxiety. These are not Etsy trinkets, they're tools. Most people copy what already looks successful, avoid uncomfortable emotional spaces, and underestimate how much people will pay for calm. Soft girl businesses win because they remove shame, reduce friction, and offer dignity. The goal of a soft girl business isn't to build an empire that takes over your life, it's to build a life that you actually enjoy living. You don't have to scream to be heard, and you don't have to be burnt out to be successful. Let us know in the comment section which of these soft girl business ideas felt most like you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and until next time, keep dreaming and keep believing in yourself. You got this.